Hello, Hannah from CS department. I've come here to record my ninth experiment of my compiler lab, and it's about YARC program. As we had already seen about the LX program in our previous experiment, and this is defined from the same language, and it is normally from your LALR parser, where you're going to pass a syntax, and that's going to come out in a form of your parser tree, and this will be written in your DNF form. And normally the main step to write a YARC program is you will give a file name .y, and you will save the program, and you'll type the content inside that, and then you'll compile it with YARC program.y, and you'll compile the generated file to a C, that is y.tab.cc, and you'll get the output. So let's go to the program. So this is my program. So as we talk about the LEX program, we know that it has three different parts, and the first one will be the declaration part, and next will be the definition part, and the last one will be the structure and the specification part, where you will be having the main program, the main function being running for the LEX. So that is your LEX parser will be running here. So first I'm going to declare my num in a form of token, and then I'm coming to my definition part, where I've defined that when a number is given, that number should be used with different operators to get onto one answer. So first I'm going to print the value, and then see I've used expression plus and one term will add, and the value will be stored to another. If I'm going to use minus, it's going to store to an other one. Similarly, if I'm going to use a division or a multiplication, the similar way I've used these three variables s, s1 and s2, s3. So in this three variables, it's going to get stored as I've taken expression and a term, or if I have a factor to be divided or multiplied, I'll actually replace it in a term in the place of term as factor, and then finally these numbers will be stored into the given expression form that is given. So in this we have the final structure part, where we have to run the LEX program. So as you can see, I have a function called get character, where I'm going to get, if in case I have a character, so that should be stored in a form of digit, right? So you know that y by hell val is always going to be 0, and it's going to check the 0 condition only. You know that your int main is going to return 1 when your parser of y will be 0. And then if you have an error of y error, and then you know it is also it is going to return 1. And then finally your y LEX will get compiled, and this will be converted into your C, and then the output will be displayed. So now let's see the output. Okay, so the way to compile this is YARC program name.y, and you have to convert this YARC program into C. So we are going to use it using GCC, that is your CC y.tab.c. That tab is to tabulate your program from your LEX form to your C form, so that your putty might run your C. And after this, you know the general format to get output from your C language ./a.out, and enter. So when I'm giving this empty space, where you got to give your any number that you need. So I'm going to give 15 plus 10. You could see it is added. So this is how it works, and previously you could see I've also tried a bigger number and where the answer is correct. So it works for every operator and the operands. So this is about my YARC program, and thank you so much for watching my